It's the ultimate glamour one-stop shop. And as I found out at the Hills Salon and Spa in North Scottsdale, they're helping clients reach their beauty potential step by step.
The Hills Salon and Spa is 3,800 square feet, and when you walk in, you really have that kind of moment where you can just take a breath. It's a beautiful ambiance, it's exhilarating, it's calming, it's a little bit of everything, but mostly what we have to offer is our unparalleled customer service. I have client concierges, and they really walk you through every area, whether that's getting you changed into a robe, taking you over for your hair, ordering you lunch, making your reservations for dinner that night. We really get involved with our clients and make sure it's an experience unlike any you've had at any other place.
And it's a special place where both women and men can get specific results for those hard-to-treat trouble areas.
Body Revive is truly the latest technology available on the market for body contouring and skin tightening. And we also have some other areas that we can treat with lip plumping, butt lifting, chest lift. So it's really kind of the one-hit wonder for all these different areas. The butt lift is my baby. It's really quite exciting. You probably have seen out there on Instagram or with celebrities all the Brazilian butt lift buzz. Well, the Brazilian butt lift is a very expensive treatment, and it's very invasive. So our goal with Body Revive was to formulate a way to do the same thing for a lot less money and a lot less invasive. So this butt lift can actually compress down the side butt, the hips that no one wants, and then lift the butt, create a divot in the back, and increase your diameter as well out. So we're looking at kind of a whole transformation for the butt area that really has got our clients excited.
And the results speak for themselves.
If I have a client that comes in and they maybe have an inch or two they want to take off, maybe just a little sagging excess skin they want to tighten to be free to wear tank tops, we can often get that down in 1 or 2 sessions. But if I have a client that's looking for that full body transformation, or for me to take them from maybe a position where they've got quite a few handfuls or a lot of excess skin from some serious weight loss, childbearing, then we might be together for a little bit longer. We might look at a plan that entails more sessions, 4 to 8 sessions. So really, our team works with you to map that out and make sure we get you the results that you look for.
Their beauty advising program ensures every client looks their very best.
We started a program where we actually sit down with a client and we help them roadmap out their needs based on their budget, their lifestyle, their time at home for aftercare regimen, and then that way we make sure that our clients are really getting the treatments that make the most sense for them, and they're also up on the latest trends.
And if you're looking for a way to experience a taste of what the Hills has to offer, their Spa Mania is calling your name.
Spa Mania is so much fun. I am a spa addict, and I always say it's research and development. I bounce around trying out different spas, so I'm always trying to hone in our spa treatments. And my goal was to really target locals in the area. It's summertime, we're bored, you can't be out in the heat. Let's get everybody in and sample all we have to offer. So Spa Mania has been a lot of fun. We're seeing a lot of new faces, and it's just exciting because you can try everything for a really budget-friendly price.
The Hills has a special offer for Your Life Arizona viewers. Just by calling, you can get 25% off 2 or more Body Revive packages and receive spa services starting at just $19 and up. For more information about the Hills Salon and Spa, you can log on to their website, thehillsexperience.com, or call the number on your screen.